Hello everyone, I am Hemant Empati. So in this video I want to talk about Docker volumes. So this Docker volume concept will help to understand how storage will work in Docker. So those are two different types in Docker volumes. So the first one is bind volume and the second one is named volumes. So first we need to understand that containers are ephermal. So that means so whatever data is there inside a Docker container is temporary. So suppose if you delete that container, the files and the storage inside that container will gone forever. So to solve this issue, so we need to understand this Docker volume concept. So first I will explain what you mean by bind volumes, and after that I will explain what you mean by named volume. So first the bind volume means, so bind volume is like so you are creating a connection in between your laptop folder and the folder inside the Docker container. So for example, so there is one web application. So for that you need to create one Docker image. Okay, so you have already created that image, and after that you have made some changes in that web application file. So that changes will need to replicate in the file inside the container. So to resolve this issue, what you need, so you need to create a bond in between the folder or file inside your laptop and the folder and file inside your Docker container. So as I have explained, so just imagine, so there is a small HTML page. So for that you have already created one container. So for that page you have already created one container, and so whenever you change that file, so that change need to replicate on the containers too. So for that you need to connection. So for that you need to connect both folders, or you need to bond with the both folders. This is like, it's like a two-way mirror. So that means whatever you changes you do on the folder that is there in your laptop, that will reflect on the folder container. So this type of volume is helpful for source code, because by doing that you don't need to change the container every time you have changed something in the file. So first just change in the file, so that will automatically changes in the containers too. And after that I will explain what I mean by named volume. So in that, so you don't create any storage folder. By default, Docker engine will create that specific storage or folder. So you are not able to see that file or folder because it's internal. So suppose if any container removes or deletes, you can attach that specific volume to the new container, so so that that container does not lose any data. So this type of volume is helpful for storing any secure data like databases and all. So this is all about the difference in between the bind volume and the